when I'm in love मैं ऐसे बिछ जाती हूँ कि तू ही मेरा संसार है. Like in the beginning at least, I'm always that. Everything I will do, everything I will write the letters. I will print pictures of ours, make collages, put it in a frame and give it to you. I will paint. I'm a terrible painter. I can't do art, but I will do it. I'll watch tutorials on YouTube and I'll do it. I'll think of presents. I'll cook for you. I will surprise you every now and then. Like I used to do this a lot with Vrishank, where I used to actually go to his college and wait for him outside. Or when we started, both of us started working, मैं उसके ऑफिस के बाहर जाके रुकती थी. वो भी मेरे साथ ये करता था. तो मैं I will do everything.
दिल फेंक.
या
चोट लग जाए सामने वाले को जोर से ऐसे फेंकूंगी.
हाँ वही है, fall and fall hard, that's what used to happen. And apart from that, I start like coming up with creative ways of letting the person know that, you know, like I'll make something, I'll create something, I'll write something.
Yeah.
So all that, yeah, effort, yeah. And I feel that then that effort is worth it.
Yeah.
Because और क्या है फिर life
Yeah.
में?
What is a song that gives you instant comfort?
Can I say audiobooks? Because I don't listen to a lot of music. I will always go to an audiobook. I love that it immediately disconnects me from the world, and it's almost like it's just me. And there's one voice. So I don't really lean on music as much as I will on a book. Oh, I should name the book. Right now, what's giving me a lot of joy is the 5th part of A Court of Thorns and Roses, the final book.
Wow.
Most of the 80s music, yeah, I'm a sucker for that. And now, like, one song that it's not from the 80s, but it keeps coming is this "Crazy" by Gnarls Barkley.
Right.
Yeah, because I think it's a very those lyrics have a lot of like they have a lot of gravity and thought behind it. So yes,
I think any journey song, you know, anything which sounds really good when I'm driving. So a song that I always go back to is Dil Se Re, Dil Se Re, Dil Se Re. दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना, मीठी सी मुश्किल है ना, पिया ना पिया, पिया 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 ना पिया, दिल से रे टट्टा रे टट्टा टट्टा.
Shiva Mani also can.
अब वो हॉरर आ गया बीच में. Spill the story behind this picture.
What picture is this?
It's our announcement.
Nice.
I remember Karan Johar had announced it. That was my memory of it.
Nah, it's I think all of ours. उस टाइम पे राघव सर के बाल भी लंबे थे.
हाँ, and I think he had cracked a joke.
He said, ये शो इतना डरावना है कि इसका डायरेक्टर का नाम ही राघव डर है. And I was like, वो मैं 4 साल से क्रैक कर रहा हूँ.
इससे पहले शूट करते थे तो रोज 12-12, 14-14 घंटे साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं सारे अपने शॉर्ट टी शर्ट्स में. तो इस टाइम पे पहली बार एवरीवन केम वेरी क्लीन डबल. एक सेकंड से डबल टेक रहे हैं गौरव.
आज भी ऐसा ही लग रहा था.
So in one scene I had to there was a glass casing and there was a weapon inside. So and वो इमरजेंसी के लिए वो हर जगह होता है. उसके साइड में एक छोटा सा हैमर होता है. आपको उस हैमर से वो कांच तोड़ना है और वेपन निकालना है. ये मुझे राघव सर ने बोला. ठीक है. और वो वेपन लेके मैंने भागना है. एंड मुझे बहुत स्पेसिफिकली बताया गया था कि प्राजक्ता ये एक ही शॉट करना है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Take the hammer, break the glass, remove the weapon, run. I have gone, I've taken the hammer, broken the glass, then I've put my hand inside to unlock the door for some reason. So I could open the box and remove the weapon. And Raghav was like, you can remove the weapon without opening the glass. That was the point of it. So then usko...
It's natural, but it's okay.
Yeah.
और जो तब तो बहुत हंसे थे. तो उस टाइम पे because we were running short of time and stuff like that, तो then Chang had to actually cheat shooting it in a way where आपको पता ना चले कि मैंने ये बेवकूफ़ी करी है जब मुझे वो निकालना था. Basic instructions.
मेरी भी ये favorite memory है from the shoot. जब मैं इसको देख रहा था ये करते हुए तो मैं तो बहुत हंसा था उस टाइम. हम सभी हंस रहे थे actually. One moment when you felt incredibly proud of yourself, sitting here next to Prajakta Kodli and Gaurav Desai, promoting Andhera. It's a very high moment for me. I've been a huge admirer of Prajakta's work. No, honestly, because I think it takes a lot of courage to put yourself out there, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, because there is no safety net. You're literally writing your own stuff, you're
Yeah.
creating it yourself, you're producing it yourself. And
is
that is something which needs guts.
Yeah.
And that is something that I, learned from her over time. Because even when we were shooting, this girl used to be constantly doing something or the other. And I was like, I felt so underworked. I'm like, यार मेरे को तो लगा था मैं बहुत काम कर रहा हूँ, पर इसको देख के लगता था कि यार मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा. So yeah, I drew a lot of inspiration from her, and Gaurav, of course, for his creativity and his natural knack of writing incredible stories.
Thanks.
Can I say that there's been multiple? Now, I'll not list them out
Yeah.
to you, but there have been multiple occasions where the easier thing for me to do was to give up and then look for a solution after. But against all instinct or all screams coming from my head saying, never mind, move on, let's do something else, I actually showed up anyway. And then life rewarded me how it did. So every time I did show up, I think
Yeah.
I'm very proud of myself for
Yeah,
doing that.
yeah. This moment, this show, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is the most recent this thing that I'm really, really proud of, because we've gotten here after a lot of
Papad bailing.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Papad bailing.
Something about Andhera that fears you the most, and how do you ground yourself? वही जो हमें बचपन से they've taught us to see the light at the end of the tunnel. That is something that you always go back to, that visual, and जो आपको आपके parents आपके जो बड़े सिखाते हैं, that हो सकता है जितना भी मुश्किल टाइम हो या जितना भी अंधेरा हो आपकी लाइफ में, at the end of it सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है. So that is something that you always you live with that hope. And we all have our own insecurities and fears. So how do I ground myself is when I actually just go back to my breath. If I have to give the most practical answer, I just start breathing.
I actually don't fear the dark. I actually find a lot of peace in the dark. There are times if I'm feeling overwhelmed, I'll actually go and I'll shut the curtains and I'll put my eye mask and I'll actually lie down in complete darkness. So I actually lean on it on days when I need peace.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not scared of darkness either. Darkness, for me, it is a very zen, quiet place where you are this thing. But as Karanveer said, the darkness, that's, uncertainty and things like that get you overwhelmed. That's also kind of darkness.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what's going to happen. But in this thing, I just try to be as mindful as possible and be in the present. I think that's the only way.
Also,
to-
like saying your gratitude, saying your positive affirmations, making sure you say your thanks very often.
Yeah.
And
Helps.
breathing.
And that you should highly recommend.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.